In the field Measure title, you can adjust the column header for your measure. For example, if you enter Hefeweizen or any other text in the sales measure, Hefeweizen is displayed as the column header. This is especially helpful if you have created the measure as a master item. In this case, only the description from the master item is used. Now you could of course also change the name directly in the master item, but this would affect all objects in which the master item sales is used. Alternatively, you could separate the measure from the master items, but then changes to the master item sales will no longer affect this column. If, for example, the calculation in the master item is changed, you would have to manually adjust it here again. You would have twice the work. If you only want to change the name here, but do not want to separate the measure from the master items, simply enter the desired column heading in the Measure title field. Here you can also use HTML tags. For example, you could change the font color to blue. Click on the FX behind the field Measure title and use the following HTML syntax. =, single quote, opening angle bracket, h1 style equals, double quotes, color, blue, semicolon, double quotes, closing angle bracket. Hefeweizen, opening angle bracket, /h1, closing angle bracket, single quote. Click on Apply and the column header will be displayed in blue.